We're ready to start this race. What's up, YouTube? It's May 12th, 2021. Hump Day! Wednesday here. Just off work. It's 5:10. And today we are attempting to beat our best time on the track. The track of life. The track headed home. What I've been doing is I start the timer at this stop sign, and then I stop the timer at the last stop sign. And that way, there we go, start. And so far my best time is 11 minutes and 42 seconds. Although I have a pretty strong headwind today, so I don't think I'm gonna beat my fastest track time. It started off, I was doing it in like just under 13 minutes. I've shaved it down to 11 minutes and 42 seconds. It's kind of fun because I can race and compete against my time every day on the way home without breaking the law. Because I believe most of these country roads are 55 miles an hour. I could be wrong. I might want to double check that. There's no signage posted anywhere, but that's what I'm going to tell myself that until I get a ticket. So, I mean, you know, the Grom, really the top speed on a flat road is supposed to be like, well, I think they advertise it at 55. I've seen some people online get it a little faster. For me, on a flat road with little wind, I think the most I've got to choose 55. Now, I have got to go in 65 miles an hour going downhill with the wind in my back. That is my personal record so far. So today, we are attempting to beat that time. We're going for 11 minutes and 41 seconds or better. So let's see what we can do. Maybe if I lost about 15 pounds, 20 pounds, 50 pounds, I'd have a little better shot of beating that time. Anyways, today was the contest video. It's been released. And it was Mr. Jixer 805 out of Oxnard, California that won, south of me. That was pretty cool. I had 9 people unsubscribe today after the contest was over, but I kind of predicted that. Actually, I predict there will be probably at least another 10 that are going to unsubscribe once they see they didn't win. But that wasn't, who knows, maybe even more. I gained, during that contest, I gained like 70 subscribers. It was kind of crazy. And I got 2 thumbs down today. Come on, seriously? You're gonna be that kind of person? I didn't win, so I give you a thumbs down. That's okay. I got 20 thumbs up so far, so I got 20 likes and 2 dislikes. Alright, so we're trying here. I do have a car behind me. I feel kind of bad, but I doubt he's following me the whole way, or will be going to where I'm going, because it's much faster if he's going all the way to where I'm going for him to have just got on 101 back there. So he's probably headed somewhere else. He is still behind me, but he's actually fallen back a little bit. Maybe he's getting ready to turn. Oh, he's gone. He must be getting ready to turn. Good. I didn't want to have to worry about someone right on my butt. Oh, so what else happened at work today? Nothing really happened at work today. I worked like usual. In the middle of refinancing our condo to get a lower interest rate. Supposed to drop the payment like 300 bucks. That would be nice. Nice. All right. We beat all the cars here. They're probably all turning. There's probably nobody going this way, but anyways, what else happened? I don't think anything else really happened. I kind of watched the comments all day on the giveaway video, the winner video. And kind of watched the numbers change throughout the day. Actually, within the first like 30 minutes, I lost 8 subscribers, and then throughout the rest of the day, I only lost 1 more. There's 1 car behind me. So, but it was still fun. I still thought it was pretty cool doing the giveaway. So, I plan on doing another. What's this person doing? I plan on doing another giveaway video fairly soon, probably within the next month or two. I don't know if I'm gonna do a 500 subscriber giveaway or maybe do like a 20,000 view giveaway. I'm coming up on 20,000 views. I'll probably do a 500 subscriber giveaway. Woohoo! You gotta love the Grom, although I feel really bad for my Sportster and my Dyna. They've been getting neglected. Oh, I haven't come up with a name for this yet. You know, the Sportster, that's Bumblebee. And then the Dyna, that's, woo, watch out, squirrel. The Dyna, that's Jolene. I can't think of a name for the Grom yet. I thought maybe Pumpkin, but nah, I know a few different people that have an orange motorcycle to call theirs Pumpkin, so that'd be kind of lame to use that. I don't know, what do you guys think? What should I call? Do you give your bikes names? I never gave my bikes names until I was listening to a podcast, and everyone on there giving their bikes names. So the Sportster, though, that one actually probably would have got the name Bumblebee even if it hadn't been for the podcast, because when I did it yellow and I slapped that Autobot sticker on there, it just had to be Bumblebee. It had to be Bumblebee. But do any of you guys name your bikes? And then I named the Dyna Jolene, and I joked that, oh, Bumblebee gave the Dyna the name Jolene because of the song, because Bumblebee started getting neglected as soon as I got the Dyna. So the Dyna stole me. So anyways, that's how we got Bumblebee and Jolene. But I gotta think of a name for this guy or girl. What is it gonna be? Help me out, give me some ideas. That could be a contest. Give me some names, and then maybe not. maybe not, I don't know. But give me some ideas for the orange Grom. What could the name be? And do you name your bikes? Let me know what your bikes' names are, and let me know how you picked those names, how you came up with the name for your bikes. Alright, so we are trying to break a record here, but I don't know if I'm really focusing on riding too much. I think I'm focusing on talking more than I'm riding. There's some roadkill that the crows were picking on there. Poor little squirrel. Little roadkill squirrel. Yeah, there is a lot of wind. It's pushing pretty hard. I really don't think I'm going to come close to beating my best time of 11 minutes and 42 seconds, but we are going to try. We are going to try, darn it. All right, downhill here. Oh, we got another motorcycle. Looks like a sport. I think it was a Sportster. Definitely a Harley. I'm about 90% sure that was a Sportster. Alright, we're slowing down uphill here, hitting the wind. Come on, third gear. Vroom. I wonder if I lay down and put my stomach on the seat and just put my feet back, how good that would do for the aerodynamics. I'm coming up on a car. There's a truck up ahead. It might spoil my chances of breaking my record if I catch up to it. Like, the Grom has got enough speed to have fun, but not really enough speed to pass somebody on this road safely. Here, let's see. Let's do the, am I on the, anybody behind me? I look like an idiot. Okay, I'm like kind of got my feet behind me. My feet up in the air. I don't know if it's really helping much. I probably look more like a goofball than anything. Oh, where the pegs go? Couldn't find my pegs. Oh, I think the truck up here is going to ruin my chance if I catch up. I got to bring the, I'll have to turn Waze on because it will tell me what the speed limit is here. Oh, I'm down to 1 bar of gas. I got to remember to fill up before I go back to the house tonight so I don't have to do it on the way to work. I think I'm gonna, hopefully he's turning right up here. Please turn right, turn right. Don't turn left. Turn right. Oh, he's turning left. Well, there goes my chance unless he like guns it here. You gotta be careful here because it's only a one-way stop. One stop sign. I don't have stop coming from the other way. And yeah, bumpy road. I think I'm gonna lose my chances. I don't think I'm gonna beat my record today because I'm gonna have to slow down. Oh well. Usually, you know what, this morning I got behind somebody on the way, and tonight on the way I jinxed myself. Talking about how I never have traffic. I never run up on anybody on this road. And both this morning and today I've come up on cars. And they're going slow. So I blew my chance of beating my record. They're definitely going slow. I could take him in the corner here if I knew no one was coming. Woo. I usually take this corner about 40 miles an hour. Oops. Wants me to go by. Thank you. Too bad you didn't do that about 30 seconds ago. Because I'm not going to be able to beat my time now. That slowed me down too much. I know it. I just know it. Well, we'll still give it the old college try. I'm not even gonna look at the time. I'm gonna coming up on another car, it looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna still act like I have a shot. Even though with the headwind I have, I don't think I was gonna do it anyways. Thought I saw another. Oh yeah, it's right there. Oh, I got that little bump right there. What? 45. Yeah, I'm gonna catch up to this guy, but we're almost to the stop sign. We're almost there, but I'm gonna have to slow down again here. Ah, darn it. Yeah, I'm gonna guess I'm gonna be about 15 seconds off my best time. I'm gonna guess we're about 12 minutes. I haven't looked yet, but I think it's gonna be about 12. You gotta hit the stop. Hopefully it didn't. Oh! Damn it, it happened again. The stupid thing stopped on its own. Ah. Okay, I gotta have to get a different app. This app, for some reason, keeps stopping on its own. I don't know if it's the rubber band hitting it or what, but this is the third time it stopped before I was done. Well, that sucks. Stopped at 8 minutes and 30 seconds in. Ah! It stopped at a top speed of what? Oh, it's average speed. Stopped at a top. My top speed before it went dead was 58 miles an hour. Oh well. I guess what I could do is I could go back and time the video. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll just do it and I'll put what my time was. I'll time it from the stop sign to that stop sign and see what the time was. There's a dirt bike up here. All right, YouTube. Well, we tried. We tried. So I hope you all have a good week. I think this is Saturday's video, and I'm researching some channels right now. I'm making some notes on some for doing a shout out soon. I haven't done a shout out I think over 2 months, so I'll get you a shout out here pretty soon. So remember, ride like everyone's a hired assassin trying to kill you. Stay safe out there, YouTube. Peace.